Welcome to ZI's Body Fitting Channel. Health, fitness, hacks and facts.
Keto whole chicken salad bowl. Hands-on 10 minutes, overall 10 minutes. Nutritional values per serving, about 380 grams, 13.5 ounces, total carbs, 13.7 grams, fiber, 8.4 grams, net carbs, 5.3 grams, protein, 29.8 grams, fat, 42.9 grams, calories, 548 kilocalories. The original recipe, the ultimate low-carb diet. Ingredients: makes 2 servings. 1 large cucumber, diced 285 grams, 10 ounces. 1 large avocado, sliced 200 grams, 7.1 ounces. 1/2 small red onion, sliced 30 grams, 1.1 ounces. 4 tablespoons paleo mayonnaise, 60 grams, 2.1 ounces. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 15 grams, 0.5 ounces. 2 cooked chicken breasts, shredded or cubed, 250 grams, 8.8 ounces. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. If you don't have pre-cooked chicken, you'll need about 225 grams, 8 ounces, raw chicken breasts to make 2 servings. Simply preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, fan-assisted, or 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, conventional. Line a baking tray with greaseproof paper. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon salt and pepper to the chicken and drizzle with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until cooked through. Allow resting for 10 minutes, then shred with 2 forks or cube. Step 1. Slice the cucumber in half. Optionally, remove the seeds using a teaspoon. Dice into cubes. Peel the avocado, remove stone and cube. Finally slice the red onion. In a small bowl, mix the mayonnaise with Dijon mustard. Step 2. Mix the diced cucumber, sliced avocado, sliced red onion, cooked chicken and mayonnaise together in a larger bowl. Season to taste with salt and pepper, and serve. Use avocado oil mayonnaise or make your own healthy mayo. Step 3. Tastes the best when served fresh, but you can store it in the container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Step 4. There is not a step 4, you have eaten already. Smiley face. More great content on keto diet coming up. Thanks for watching. Like. Give a thumb. Subscribe for more videos.